In the name of God, most gracious and most merciful, today actually the video is about to win a lottery in California. As we everyone aware about that Powerball, that how it works in California, and you can even check in a website that probabilities to win a lottery. Out of the 6 numbers, you have to choose, suppose out of the 51 numbers. So from 1 to 51 numbers, you choose the ball. Suppose you choose the 6 numbers, and we choose the suppose first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. This is the first number, this is the second number, third number, fourth number, fifth number, and this is the sixth number. So if we choose the 6th number out of the 51 numbers, this is the formula: 51 by 6, 51 factorial, 51 minus 6 factorial into 6 factorials, 18 million. So you have a one chance over 18 millions to win a lottery. So hopefully it's almost, you can say that you are dreaming, and to get a win, it's like almost impossible, and if you are winning, it's out of the very coincidence, or you are the most luckiest if you guess it. So but this calculation we have derived it, and you can even check in a Wikipedia lottery mathematics. Suppose if you are selecting the 6 numbers out of the 49 numbers, the chances is 13 million. Here we have taken a 51 number, so 1 out of the 14 million chances to win. So if we increase the number rather than 49 to 51, as we have explained, as we have seen, then your chance to win a lottery out of 18 million out of 1 only. And it is actually a simple formula: the number of winning lottery numbers, the total number of possible lottery numbers. And this is the formula for that, and n is the number of the how many numbers you are going, suppose 49 or 51 numbers, and r is the selections. And suppose if you choose out of 2 and out of the 5 numbers, then the possibilities of winning is 10. And this like suppose there are the 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and you have to choose the any 2 numbers. So 1 or 2, these are the 10 combination possible. Either you can choose 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 4, 5. And if you are suppose taking a chance out of 5 numbers, you have selected any 2 numbers, then your possibilities of winning the lotteries is 10. As you apply this equation and you put the numbers, you get the possibilities of 10. The same equation is available in Excel as well. You can use the combine, and suppose here out of 51 we select the 6 numbers we are selecting. Out of 51 numbers, there are 18 million possibilities, and out of 18 million possibilities, you have one chance to win into the lotteries. So if you are most luckiest, then only you can win. Out of 18 million, there are 1 possibilities or 1 probabilities to win the lottery. Same way, if we take a chance here, out of 5 numbers, if you are selecting 2 numbers, and there are only the 10 possibilities. So this actually, as you grow the numbers, the probabilities of winning lotteries are going nearest to 0. As this is 18 million, if you increase suppose 51 numbers to the 100 numbers, and if you are selecting the 8 numbers, if you are choosing the 100 numbers, and out of 100 numbers you are selecting the 8 numbers, and you can see this is already getting the bigger numbers, and almost 10 raised to 11, near to the going to the trillions possibilities. As 1.8 raised to 11 zeros. So these are the some of the probabilities that the chances of lotteries and to putting your numbers almost zero once you are growing the numbers. So some of the facts we can now see into the Quran, and we are trying to relate that if how the numbers are connected with the first verse only. And so this is the first verse of the Quran, the surah Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And this Arabic verse has a 19 letters, and it is a combination of the 19 letters, and it is the first verse of the Quran. The meaning of the verse is in the name of God, most gracious and most merciful. And God has created the first verse in that beautiful way that it's like, if you say, suppose if it is not created by the God or it is created by the humans, or either these structures of the mathematical that we are going to see now in the next part of the video. So you keep watching till the end, and you will see that the probability to do this type of the structure with the first verse only, it goes into the more than quadrillion to more than quintillion. As we can see that almost 10 raised to 26, so almost zero. But we will go into the study wise that how this structure has designed and how complicated God has created this mathematical structure, which is even impossible by any supercomputer to design this type of the mathematical structures. So actually we have already seen in a previous video that absurd value is created during the time when the number was not designed. This is called absurd numerals. So what was the absurd numerals? At the time of the people, they were actually there were no number system, so they were using as a letters of their own language as a number. So at the time of once the number was discovered, this system become obsolete. But we can see here in the table that this system, when they wanted to do some transaction of the number 3, they are using the jim. When they wanted to do the transaction of number of value of 2, they were at the time using ba. And this system was available into the Greek, Hebrew, and as well as in Arab also. So as there are the maximum number as they are using as a gain, that means it is the value of the 1000. So in such a way there are the Arabic letters, and you can convert those Arabic letters into the numerical form. So suppose as example we say as a Wahid, this is the Arabic letter, Arabic word, and the meaning of this Arabic word is 1. Wahid, it is the Arabic word, and the meaning of the Wahid is 1, and it is constituted of the 4 letters Wa, Alif, Ha and Dal. So this letter has its own meaning. Alif has a 1 value, Wa has a 6 value, Ha has a 8 value, and Dal has a 4 value. So this is the Dal, it is the last letter. This is the 6, Wa, Waw, Alif. Alif has a 1, and Ha has a 8 value, Ha, Wahid, and Dal has a 4 value. So actually it is a pronounced in English Wahid. And if you combine these 4 letters, it gets the 19. And it is a prime number, as well as it is a combination of the alpha and omega, as you can verify the first number and the last number, and it is a prime number. So God has given his signatures with the 19, that I am the only one who created this scripture for all the human beings and all the humankind, as well as, so he has actually literally the sign and give the proper authentication that no human can even change any structure of the Quran, and it is pure. It is actually the beautiful design, and it is a combination of the mathematical. As you can see, it's like a cryptography. That this number with the prime number, it is protected in the form that we cannot even change the one number or one letter or one word from one verse to the another verse. We will study now in the details that how these mathematical structures design into the Quran. So this is the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, which is the first verse of the Quran, and we will go into the details that if we go step by step, that how it is impossible to do such type of design in a probabilities law or in a mathematical statistics. So these are the 19 letters. If we combine Bismillah, Allah, Rahman, Rahim, and there are 4 words. This is the first word, second word, third word, and fourth word. So this is the first, second, third, and fourth. Combination of the 4 words become the one sentence. In the name, the meaning of the Bismillah, in the name of God, most gracious, most merciful. And if we combine all these 19 letters, the total, the value of this 786, and this is the abjad value as we have seen into the Wikipedia, that the time of the people 1400 years before, there were no numbers, so they were using these Arabic letters as a numbers, and if we combine all, we get Bismillah. These are all the 19 letters. If we combine, then we get a value of 786. This is the addition of the all 19 letters of the 4 words of the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And we have we segregated in another form, like Bismillah in the name, in the God, most gracious, most merciful. This is the first name in the name Bismillah. This is the Allah, means it's a God. This is Al-Rahman, and third one is Al-Rahim. So these are the 4 words, and letters in the first Bismillah is the 3 letters. We put here 3 letters. God has a 4 letters. Ar-Rahman has a 6 letters. Ar-Rahim has a 6 letters, and each letter has its own geometrical value. Like Ba has a 2 values. Sin has a 60 values, and Mim has a 40 values. So these 3 values, Ba, Sin, and Mim. This combination of 2, 60, and 40, because these structures are very important into the next part, that how these 3 geometrical value, if you combine it, and it is a multiple of the 19. So we will write again these 4 values. Bismillah. These are the Arabic Allah, means God. These are Ar-Rahman, means the most gracious, and Ar-Rahim. Same way, the 6 letters of the Al-Rahim, 1, 2, 3, and geometrical value of 1, 30, 200, 8, 10, and 40. This is the combination. If you add, it becomes 102. If you add these 4 values, it becomes 66. If you add these 6 values, it becomes 329. So likewise, the total 786, and the total letters 19, geometrical value equal to 786. So we go with the probabilities. That 1 in all, actually the fact 1, that there are the 19 letters of the combination, the first verse. Fact 2, we take as a one number, suppose the first letter and second, third and fourth as like combination of first, second, third and fourth. Now all the combination of these letters we will apply here. First we will put 3, 4, 6, 6 into this bit, in between of this 3, 4, 6 and 6. There will be the one numbers 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 6, which is divided by 19. Now we will take the another combination in the same form, 1, first, second, 3 and 4, but now we will put this value 2, 6, 40, or we will take first the total of this value 102, 66, 329 and 289. There will be the very big numbers after that. The number will be 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 9, 4, 2, 8 and 9. The second number is even multiple by divided by 19. We will go the third possibilities, which is actually, if you go the more and more possibilities, it looks like that it is impossible to do this type of the design. The third possibility is even more complex, as with the same number 1, 2, 3 and 4. The value here we are applying the first 2, 6, 40 here. This is the value we are completely, this we are gathering as a one number 2, 2, 6, 0, 4, 0. Again this is the second number 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5. This will be the big number 1, 3, 0, 200, 8, 40, 50, and fourth number will be again big 1, 3, 0, 200, 8, 10 and 40. So what we are doing it? We are just putting the first sequence, second sequence, third sequence and fourth sequence. This will be the of the sequence of that number. I will change the color so it will be easier. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now there will be the 4 numbers, and we just put all numbers into the one line again as like we did before. So there will be the big numbers which looks like this, and it is a long number 1, 2, 6, 0, 4, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, and these numbers even divided by the 19. We go again the fact 5, where inside the numbers we give the code of the 1, 2, 3. Like we put here the 2, 60 and 40. We again decode from the 1, 2 and 3. So you can imagine that it creates a more complexity into the number inside. Like this first number, we are again inside giving the 1 number, 2 number and 3 numbers. So the design of with the possibilities to again come into the 19, it looks like impossible. It's like the miracles you are seeing, like you are reviving someone from the dead. I think this miracle is more bigger than that. What Jesus has shown, he was able to revive the dead from the live from the dead, and so if you, and God says in the Quran, this is the biggest miracle than any other messenger has been given in a previous. So see the possibilities of the only the structure of the Bismillahirrahmanirrahim with the observed value, only with the mathematical number. How can it possible that all the numbers derive in divided by the 19? Not only the one possibilities. I will again repeat the same possibilities to emphasize that how beautifully these miracles designed by the God. First possibilities we have taken. These are the fact 5. So I will take it, I will count it here in a one by one, all the 5 facts, because and later on we will see the probabilities, that how, if it is any human being or any supercomputer try to do that, what are the possibilities and what are the chances to do the same structure like that. So we take as a first sequence number, second sequence number, third sequence number and fourth sequence number. So in the first sequence number we will take these letters of the Bismillah, God name, Bismillah, Allah, Rahman, Rahim, 3, 4, 6, 6. We put here 3, 4, 6 and 6. So there will be the one number 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 6, 4, 6. You can precisely divide by 19. Now we will go to the another fact, second fact. This is the first fact. And now we will go into the second fact. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what we will do, we will add the geometrical value in this in between this number, like 102, 66, 329 and 289. Down the number you can see the number is going bigger and bigger. 1, 1, 0, 2, 2, 6, 6, 3, 3, 2, 9, 4, 2, 8, 9. This is the fact 1 and this will be the fact 2, which is also divided by 19. Now we will go to the third fact. The number are going increase here, only the 1, 2, 3, 10 raised to 10 power. Here the power has already increased. 10 raised to 16. The number, the length of the number is increased from 10 raised to 10 to directly 10 raised to 16. The third possibilities, which is actually the longer number, first, second, third and fourth. So what right now I'm going to do, I'll put the 2640, the same geometrical value, observed value in between these numbers. So 2, 60, 40, 130, 305. Again 130, 200, 8, 4050. So this is the big number. 1, 30, 200, 8, 4050. And the fourth, again I will take the 6 geometrical value of the same number. 1, 30, 200, 8, 10 and 40. So we combine this as a one number and it will be like looking like this: 1, 2, 6, 0, 4, 0, 2, 1, 3, 0, 3, 0, 5, 3, 1, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 8, 4, 0, 5, 0, 4, 1, 3, 0, 200, 8, 10, 40. So this will be the complete number and total numbers. Ten raised to 37. The size of the number has already increased. 10 raised to 37, which is again precisely divided by 19. And I will show you the proof with all the numbers being calculated and precisely, or even you can check with the large size calculator which is already available. and I will show you again how the number is divided by 19. So before again the fact, we will check the fact 5. What happened now? I am again decoding this 26040 inside. I am giving the number again. So first I will take as a first number here in the fact 4. This is the fact 3. This is the fact 2. This is the fact 3. So what I am going to do, I will give the number inside of the geometrical value as per the sequence of that letters. So the first letter 26040, so I will give the first number and I will put the 2. 60 is the second number, I will take as a second number and I will put a 60 here. Third I will take as a 3 and 40. So this is the first sequence I have taken. Now I will put again the another number with the 2 sequence and I will take 1, 30, 30 and 5. So I will give again the numbers to the 1, actually it is already shown here. So rather than writing it, we will zoom it and we will see how it is there and how it is working it. Yes, we will zoom more, so it will be easy to, yeah, okay. So what happened here, the first number, second number, third number and fourth number. Inside we have sandwich with the 260 and 40 and we have already given the numbers in italic form 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Same way we have again inside we have given the number from the 2, 30, 30 and 5. So like 1, 2, second 30, third 30 and fourth 5. So the number is actually, after it becomes more longer or it is around the value of the number is 19 and 30, almost the value of the number is 10 raised to 58 size of the number, and it is again divided by 19. So we will see that how those numbers are divided by 19 by taking all the numbers, and we will copy it and we will check with the calculators. So this is the first number where we have sandwiched these three numbers 3, 4, 6 and 6. The first Bisma has a 3 letters, second word is a 4 letter, third one has a 6 letters and fourth word has a 6 letters, which is divided by 19 is a precisely you can divide it, and you can even calculate with this is the website, and you can check the numbers and the frequencies, mathsysfund.com. You can put any number of the large numbers and it will calculate the either it is divided by 19 or it is not divided by 19. So we will see the second numbers. The second numbers has already increased the probabilities, as we have again put 102, 66, 329 and 289 with the first, second, third and fourth. These are the geometrical value total, and again it is divided by 19 precisely. These are the fact 2. We again go with the fact 3, where what we did, we separated the geometrical value of the 3 letter of the Bisma here. So I will again explain. The Bisma is Arabic 3 letters Ba, Sin and Mim. The value of the Ba is 2, value of the Sin is 60, value of the Mim is 40. So if you combine these 260 and 40, it becomes around 302, 102. The same 102 value we have taken into this calculator, and same way the second word, third word and fourth word of the Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, the meaning is in the name of God, most gracious and most merciful. Same pattern we have again here did the same thing, and it is a longer number where we separated 2640. This is the first letter 3, and again we put the second number and we took as a 13005. These are third numbers, which is the 6 letters. Again the fourth number, which is again the 6, where combination of 1, 30, 200, 8 and 10. These are the first combination, second word, third letter and fourth letter, and again it is divided by 19 precisely, and this is the, there are no, it is perfectly and precisely divided by 19. These are the fact 3, and again we are getting the very big number. As we can now analyze, this number is a longer, and what we have done here, just these are the first sequence, this is the second sequence, this is the third sequence, and this is the fourth sequence. And 2, 6, 0 and 4, 0, this is the 2, 6, 0, 4, 0, and we give the again number 1, 2 and 3. Same like again here, the sequence are remain the same. First sequence 2, this is the 2 number, 3, 0, 3, 0 and 4. So same way we contribute all the numbers inside the sequence, and we get precisely it is divided by 19. So now we will see the possibilities in a mathematical and probabilities that if we wanted to design the same structure with the one only Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, is it possible, or is it coincidence, or it is deliberately this design has been done by the God? We take as a one number. Suppose if we wanted to get a numbers divided by 19, and there are the 8, we take it in a simple form. We will not go in a higher, which is already we have seen there are long numbers. We take as only 8 digit numbers, where you have the 8 digit numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, but outcome should be divided by 19, and you can choose any number in these 3 forms. Like you can choose 0 to 19, any numbers, 1, you can choose here 2, you can choose here 3, or you can choose here 4. Out of 0 and 9, in between you can choose any numbers in between only here, where it is question marks, you can choose any numbers, but outcomes must be divided by 19. So there are 8 numbers, and the 8 numbers, out of the 8 numbers, the total 100 million numbers between the 0 to 999, 8 digit numbers. So these are the 8 digits combinations, and out of 100 millions there are only 527 such numbers which can be divided in that form only. The first numbers is 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, 4, 6, where the pattern is remain the same, 1, 2, 3, 4. What we have done, the pattern is remain the same. The first number is 0, 0, 2 and 7, and from this combination the last possible number is, again we take the same possibilities, we take again the 9, 9, 9 and 9. So these are the only the first number and the last number. So total there are only 527 such combination out of 100 million. There are only 5 and 27 combination of the 8 digit. because 8 digit can be derived, and you can check all the numbers and possibilities, as we want only the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and inside you can put from 0 to 9, and there are total 527 such numbers possibilities. So out of the 1 numbers, 1 possibilities, so you divide 100 million divided by 527, you get 189753. So the fact 1, suppose the possibility of the fact 1 is out of almost 189,000. Fact 1, the actually what we have seen in a fact 1, that is the possibilities is only out of the fact, yes, the fact 1 is the possibilities here, the 1, 3, 4, 6, 6, it is not only the one time dividing, it is again divided by 2 times. See the fact 1, fact 2, it is 2 times divided by 19. We have taken the same one, first number, three, 4, 6 and 6. We combine this 4 in between and we divided 2 times by the 19. Okay, so this is the first probability that this number, if it comes, then there are chances that out of 189, because these are the total number of combination of 8, and 8 number, if you derived it, there are 100 million numbers with the 8 integers, and out of 100 million there are 527 such a combination which you want, what 1, 2, 3, 4, and it, if you put between the number and it is divided by 19. Now you take the fact 3, fact 4 and fact 5. Again the numbers inside are getting bigger and bigger. So the possibilities are directly multiple of it. So the second possibilities immediately reach to almost 36 billion, because we have seen total 5 facts. So if we multiply the second possibilities, as per the mathematics, out of the 36 billion there are one chance that both the fact must be divided by 19. If we see there are fact 3 even, that is again the same with the same number and same sequence, but inside the number probabilities are increasing as number is getting bigger. We have omitted that result. We are calculating based on 8 integers only. But if we see that the number sizing are increasing, then these possibilities are more, actually more than quadrillion. But as a fact, as a simple to make it as a very simple to understand, the fact 3 are matching the possibilities is quadrillion almost. The 7 quadrillion, that means the 7,000 trillion. From 7,000 trillion there are only one possibilities. This is actually the 7,000 trillions. There are only one possibilities. We will take into the further step, if because there are total 5 times we have seen the facts. So what we have done, we have multiple this as per the 8 integers only, and the number, actually the size of the number is already increased to 10 raised to the 57 form. The fact 5, the size of the number has increased to 10 raised to 57. Fact 4, the number size was almost 10 raised to 37. But still we have taken the consideration as per the 8 digit only, 8 integers only. So based on that 8 integers, still the numbers are extremely big. So the first possibility is fact 1, fact 2, fact 3, fact 4 and fact 5, and if you multiply all these, it becomes 0.2 quintillion, and actually these are the numbers are big. So we will see that how these numbers are. So we almost reach in this section. The total zeros are around 26 zeros are there, 26 zeros. So 0.2 into multiple of the 10 raised into 10 into 26 zeros. Two into 10 raised to 26 zeros. So in a 26 the numbers has reached into this section around octillion. So you can say that it is 0.2 octillion out of the one possible chances that this type of structure can be done. As almost the 10 raised to 27, so it was the number was something around 24. So out of, and again that we have only considered as per the 8 integers, we have not considered. If we go to consider the big, because the size of the number is extremely big, in a fact 3 and fact 5, the size of the number is extremely big, but the condition remain the same, that we have to take the numbers where first, second, third and fourth, in between all the numbers should be divided by 19. So we are applying the number of the size is almost increased to 10 raised to 37. So if we see the probabilities, our human mind cannot imagine, or our human kind cannot comprehend to that type of the numbers. So we have actually tried to understand with that simple 4-5 facts and with that small numbers. But actually if we go, then it might reach to, and it may not come even 10 raised to 303, maybe it goes about 10 raised to above maybe million. So actually if we count it, it cannot even, they cannot even imagine about the number size, as it can go about 10 raised to above 1 million here. If we consider the number size, because already the fact, the size of the number is already big, as this number size is almost 10 raised to 57, and this number again divided by 19. Fact 4 number, the size of the number is 10 raised to 37. Here we are not considered the 8 integers, but we have considered the bigger integers. But the design is remain the same, 1, 2, 3, 4. In any sequence there is a 4 letters, 4 words, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, 4 words we have designed into that pattern only. The thing is that here we have taken as a 0 to 9 between the one integer only you can choose. So the probabilities is out of the 100,527 such combination. Just keep it in mind. We have choose only 8 integers. If we increase the 10 integers, the 100 million to reach to the one more than billions. If it is not 8 integers is almost 100 millions. If we go to 10 raised to 15, it almost 10 raised to 12, it is equal to trillion. So the possibility is almost out of the trillion there is a 1, but here I am talking about the 10 raised to 37, 10 raised to 57. From that possibilities, just get it the numbers from this Wikipedia. 10 raised to 57 means it is sexdecillion, it is a septadecillion, it is a octadecillion, octadecillion. So 10 raised to 57, that numbers, the possibilities outcome of the divided by 19, it is almost 0. You can say it is not, the design is not done by the coincidence. As if it is done by coincidence, the chances of the probabilities, it says it is a 0. There is a probability, because this number is, it's like you take all the sands of the earth, you take all the sands of the earth and you put in between the sand the smallest part of the electron which cannot be visible by eyes, and you tell someone to put the hand and remove that electron from that out of the all the sands. So it is just like that, the probability is 0, man. It is not even you can reach near to that probabilities to get this type of the structures. So there are no any coincidence, it is deliberately God has designed, and only God can do this type of the structures. Not even human can imagine that numbers, the beautiful design of the structures of the Arabic letters and the meanings. As you can recite Bismillah Rahman Rahim, you can beautifully recite it, and even you can, the meaning is in the name of God, most gracious and most merciful, and you see the design in behind that 19, God says I am the one, I am the only one who has created this. the structure, who I am created the one, I am the only one who created these miracles, and I am the only one who created the Quran, and I am the only one, you are the, all humans are going to return to me only. So God is saying consistently in the Quran that I am the one you should worship, and God is the only one to be worshipped, and there are no any other God beside him. And to make this video, to give the message of the Quran, that it is about the peace and love, and to become a righteous, and to follow and do not do any injustice, and remove the hatred from the heart, and that those are the beautiful meanings into the Quran. If we read it from thoroughly, we get the meanings of it. Hope it is enjoyable, and it is actually the very informative videos. So kindly subscribe to the channel and forward to the your groups, and who are really wanted to know about the Quran and its meaning and its beautiful mathematical structures. Inshallah, soon we will make new videos about the more deeper meaning of the mathematical structure of the Quran.